Welcome back, Future Medicos. Recently, I got a doubt on one of the social platforms asking during counseling, do I get a seat allotted outside my locked choices? Say, for example, I have selected only 5 colleges during my counseling. Let's say, for example, you have selected only AIMS New Delhi. Let's say you have selected JIPMER Puducherry. You have also selected, let's say, Maulana Azad Medical College. Let's say you have selected Vardhman Medical College. And then let's say you have also selected UCMS New Delhi. Let's say you have selected only 5 colleges in your locked choices during the medical counseling committee counseling. And let's assume that your marks is 675 marks. And let's say your rank is about 1000 all India, right? All India rank is 1000. Now with this rank and these high marks, you believe that you are happy with these 5 colleges and you don't want any other college other than these 5 colleges. So during the counseling, let's say you lock only these 5 colleges: AIMS Delhi, JIPMER Puducherry, Maulana, Vardhman, and University College of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. Now the results are out and you look at the chart and you see that you have not been allotted any seat in any college. Why? Because generally these colleges, these 5 colleges, the cutoff is quite high. Let's say, for example, let's look at last year cutoff. The last year cutoff for AIMS New Delhi for general category I'm talking about is 51 is in terms of rank. AIMS New Delhi 51 was the closing rank. JIPMER Puducherry, the closing rank was 239. Maulana Azad, the closing rank was 89. Vardhman, the closing rank was 138. And then UCMS, the closing rank was 292. Now, this being the closing rank and your rank is 1000, naturally, when the system is starting to allocate seats, it will start from rank 1 and then move towards rank 1000. So by the time it comes to rank 1000, there are no vacancies in these 5 colleges. Now the system will look at what is your 6th choice. But unfortunately, you have not given any 6th choice. You have given only 5 choices. So what will happen? No seat will be allotted to you. Okay, which means it will not allot any seat outside the choices you have locked in the counseling. Even you have a high rank, 1000 is a very high rank, but you may go without any seat and a candidate with rank 1001 or a candidate with rank 2000 or even a candidate with rank 5000 might be getting seats, whereas you might not be getting it because you have not selected any choices that are available at your rank. So the question whether do I get seat allotted outside my locked choices? The answer is no. You will not get any seats allotted outside your choices. If you have selected only one college in your list, and if seats are not available in that college at your rank, you will not get any allotment. So the allotment will always happen within your choices. No college will be allotted against your wish. Only one of the colleges. It may be a college that is ranked number 50 in your list. Okay, you might have given 50 colleges in your list. You may get the 50th college, which may not be your first choice, but still it is in your list. Okay, remember, since you wanted to join that college, that's why you are putting that in list. In case if you do not want to join a college, better don't put that college in your list because there is a likelihood that college may be allotted to you. So there are 2 things you need to look at here. One, don't put too few colleges, assuming that you will get a college. Okay, don't make that assumption. Okay, unless you are very clear that you do not want to join any other college other than that, that's fine. But if you want to join MBBS and if you want to get at least one seat, then put as many choices as possible. And at the same time, don't waste your choices by giving a college that you are sure you are not going to join. Maybe you are from New Delhi and you are sure that you do not want to join a college at Kanyakumari. Then don't put Kanyakumari College in your list. because you are sure that you are not going to come all the way down to the south corner and then study in that college. So better don't put that college in your choices. At least somebody else who wants that college can get a seat in that college during the counseling. One, be clear with your choices. Second, be also wise with your choices. And then be considerate, right? Normally, a lot of candidates in the top ranks, just for the sake of counseling, just for sake of selecting seats, they do select the colleges. And then finally, they don't join and the seat goes waste, or it may go to the second round, or it may be surrendered back to the states. So better be considerate for candidates with lower ranks also. Okay, so that is my answer to the question. Do I get seat allotted outside my locked choices? The answer is no. Thank you. If you have any further doubts on counseling, please leave a comment. I will try to answer them through further videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.